Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Inflationary gaps happen when output exceeds full employment, so we need to find the right policy mix to cool things down. Let's solve this fast. The economy is currently operating above its full employment level, which creates an inflationary output gap. We must identify actions that will reduce aggregate demand to bring the economy back down. To close this gap, we need contractionary policies. This means the government should reduce spending or raise taxes, while the central bank should raise interest rates to limit any excess spending. Increasing taxes and raising administered interest rates perfectly fits this contractionary goal. That makes option E our final winner for this tricky macroeconomics problem. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing by watching signs. Trust given data and check your steps.